Hello everyone. Today I'll be presenting our study on effect of conventional vs acidified thermal processing on quality of trout. I am Satya Prabha. This study was conducted by me with the guidance of Dr. Swami and Dr. Ali at McGill University, which aims to compare both these methods based on their impact on color and texture of trout. This slide represents the objectives of the study, which compares conventional and acidified thermal processing. Conventional thermal processing relies solely on heat, which requires higher temperature for processing that might affect color and texture of trout. On the other hand, acidified thermal processing combines heat and acidity, which may allow lower temperature for processing while still ensuring microbial inactivation. So, the goal here is to determine which method better preserves the quality characteristics of trout. Here's the picture of trout that are processed under different conditions. For conventional thermal processing, I've used temperatures from 115 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius with agitation speed from 0 Hz to 1.5 Hz. And for acidified thermal processing, I've used 90 degrees Celsius at static and 1 Hz mode of agitation. Next is the result of time temperature graph, which reveals differences in heating rates and holding phase stability, and it shows acidified treatment often achieve microbial inactivation with reduced overall thermal exposure due to the synergetic effect of heat and acidity. Next comes the effect on texture. The graph clearly demonstrates the advantage of acidified thermal processing over conventional thermal processing by retaining higher hardness value. In terms of tenderness, the graph follows a similar trend to hardness, and notably, the sample processed at 1H retained a higher tenderness value due to an uniform heat distribution. Next comes the effect on color. In terms of lightness, the conventional thermal processing has higher lightness value, which means the sample is turning more pale, which is not appropriate for trout, and that is also related to reduction in redness value. On the other hand, the acidified thermal processing has retained a better color and reduced the breakdown of myoglobin protein. In terms of browning index, due to higher temperature applied in conventional thermal processing, the trout has turned more brown, which also related to higher color change. And in terms of acidified treatment, there is very less color change due to milder heat treatment. Hence, from our study, we can conclude that acidified thermal treatment is a promising alternative to conventional process, which better preserves the color and texture of trout. So the future research should explore its scalability and consumer sensory characteristics. Thank you.